Most people get this wrong, and assume you can directly add a gift card to Cash App like a debit card. Here's the truth no one tells you. Cash App does not let you simply load most gift cards into your balance the way you would with a bank card. But there are still a few working methods in 2026 that people use every day to get their gift card value into Cash App. In this video, you'll learn exactly what works, what does not work, and the safest step-by-step way to turn a gift card into Cash App, spending power without getting stuck or declined. Let's start immediately with the key answer. You usually cannot directly add a Visa, MasterCard, or store gift card balance into Cash App as a stored balance. But you can link eligible prepaid cards, or you can convert the gift card balance indirectly using a transfer method. And that's where most people get confused. Now here's the first method that sometimes works. Open Cash App and go to the Banking or Money tab. Tap Link Bank or Add Card. If your gift card is a Visa or MasterCard gift card and it has a billing zip code registered, you can try adding it like a debit card. But here's the problem. Most gift cards get rejected here because they are not fully registered or supported. So what do you do if it fails? This is where it gets interesting. The second method is using the gift card for a transfer-friendly purchase. For example, you can use the gift card on platforms that allow Cash App withdrawals or peer transfers, like buying a digital balance, then cashing out to Cash App. A common example is buying something from a service or app that lets you send money to yourself or another account you control. It sounds indirect, but it works when direct linking fails. Now here's a safer approach that many users prefer. You can use your gift card to buy a money order or reloadable prepaid card at supported retailers, then add that card to Cash App as a linked debit card. This creates a bridge between your gift card and Cash App balance. But pay attention here. Fees, restrictions, and fraud checks can apply depending on the card type. Always verify your gift card balance first before trying any method. So to summarize, you usually cannot directly add a gift card to Cash App, but you can sometimes link it, or convert it through approved transfer methods or reloadable cards. If this helped clear things up, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance guides that actually work in 2026.